Washing machines are like people. When you get sick, there are signals that come and show you that this and this is paining you. And this does not only apply to human beings, but it also applies to the washing machine. When a washing machine is not in good condition, it will show you the signals. If it's automatic, on its dashboard, it will show you a sign that there is something that is wrong with it, meaning you have to take action as soon as possible. When it needs oil, it will show you that it needs oil. If it needs cleaning, it will show you a sign that it needs cleaning. In today's video, I'm going to take you through how I clean the washing machine. This is a two-way machine. It washes, at the same time it dries, but there are some who have different machines for washing and for drying. Yeah, when a machine is sick, automatically you listen to the sounds that it normally produces. If you have been very careful listening to the sounds, like when a baby is crying, definitely you will know whether they are hungry or there is something they need, and that also applies to the washing machine. If they need something, definitely you just have to listen to their sounds. If they don't have a dashboard, yeah, you listen to their sounds and automatically you will know what's wrong with it. How often do you clean your washing machine? A washing machine is supposed to be cleaned every week if you have time, and if you don't have time, maybe you can clean it every month to remove that dust. Remember, the more often you clean the washing machine, the more it will have a long lasting life, and that depends to each and every machine that you use. If it comes to a car, you are supposed to oil it, you are supposed to wash it, you are supposed to take good care of it, and that also applies to our bodies. It also applies to each and everything around us. So if you are there, you neglect your washing machine, I think it's high time you started treating it more like you treat your body. These things need care, these things need love. Yeah, love as in how? Get a piece of cloth, clean it and make sure it's clean, dust it, remove the waste, oil it, do whatever you are supposed to do so that you can have a long lasting washing machine. This machine, I normally clean it every week. Yeah, and I normally do the cleaning on every Sunday so that when we start the week, at least you can know what went wrong, what is working and what is not working. So in this video, I take you through step by step of how I do clean this washing machine. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, like and share. This is my life as a Ugandan living in Saudi Arabia. How often do you clean your washing machine? I would want to know in the comment section. Do you also look after it as you look after yourself? Like I said, washing machines are like our bodies. You can easily identify the problem it has if you have been very careful listening to how it works, how it sounds. You will definitely be able to know whether it has a problem or it doesn't have a problem. Let me take you through the video as you see me cleaning this washing machine. The more you look after it, the more you clean it, that will give it a long lifespan when it comes to working. Yeah.